afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Johnny Nirvana here with Dendrite. Today, we will be broadcasting the nerve-wracking game between the New York Nerves and the San Antonio Nervous Nellies. So, Den, over here. What do you think will decide this crucial matchup?
Well, depending on which team's synapses fire faster, I think that will determine the outcome of the game.
Oh, well stated, well put. I totally agree. Now let's go down to the rink to meet our players. I'm Dwayne the Nerve Johnson. I'm the perfect example of your typical nerve cell. As you can see on my jersey is the perfect diagram of a basic nerve cell and its structure. Contained within the soma, which is the cell body of a nerve, is the nucleus. The nucleus contains all the genetic information and the DNA about that certain nerve cell. Connected to the soma are long dendrites that reach out to receive electrical impulses.
Yeah, I'm Axon Jackson Flaxen Waxen. Many of you may know me as the world record holder for the world's fastest synapse. I'm the all-star in the San Antonio Nervous Nellies. My axons are huge, and of course, as you all know, the larger the axon, the faster the synapse, which thus leads me to having the world's fastest synapse. Located here on my jersey, I have a life-size representation of an actual synapse.
We really have some interesting players on the rink today.
We sure do. Now let's go down to the rink for the drop of the puck.
Okay, gentlemen, you know the rules. 1 second will be put on the clock. The team with the most synapses by the end of the regulation time will be the victor. Remember, each goal represents one synapse from each axon to axon. You gentlemen ready?
Yeah.
Good luck to the both of you.
Folks, you just witnessed the function of a nerve cell in action. The first goal, which represents a synapse, was scored in this game.
Yes, sir. With the goal representing the brain and the puck representing the neurotransmitter, you just saw Axon Waxen Flaxen Jackson send a synapse to the brain.
Remember, that is only one synapse. With billions occurring every second, the final score can get a little out of control.
Here you see how quickly synapses occur. If we were to keep it at this time, it would take around 30 years to represent how many synapses occur in just 1 second.
We learned a lot about nerves here during today's game. Remember, dendrites are constantly sending neurotransmitters to the brain through axons.
Thank you for tuning in. From all of us here at Cole's Basement, have a good night. And now, here's a word from our sponsors.